Hey there! Are you a solo entrepreneur looking to take your business to the next level or looking for information to start your business? Well, you're in luck because today I'm answering the big question, can a single person form an LLC? First, let's celebrate the fact that you as a solo business owner can absolutely form an LLC in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. Being a single member LLC means that you can enjoy the benefits of personal liability protection and potential tax advantages, all while avoiding the complexities of maintaining a corporation. How awesome is that? Now, let's dive into the process of forming your single member LLC. To get started, you'll need to register your business entity with your state's Secretary of State or equivalent agency by filing the Articles of Organization or a similarly named form. You can hire an attorney, but you can also do this yourself or even use an entity formation company to help. After that, you might need to tackle some additional steps like filing a legal notice, drafting an operating agreement, and registering for business licenses and permits. And if all this sounds a bit overwhelming, don't worry. We're here to help you every step of the way. So there you have it, a resounding yes to the question of whether a single person can form an LLC. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. We're here to help support you on your business journey. For those of you eager to learn more about forming an LLC, I've got you covered with a whole collection of resources over at startingyourbusiness.com, where I detail the process in each state step by step. If this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel for more insightful information on starting a business. Thanks for tuning in and best of luck with your LLC.